I feel like it's really, really important, and I think that as parents who have young and old children, especially pre-teens and younger children who are going to eventually end up using social media, we need to know where our boundaries lie. We need to know how to identify what's going on with our children. We need to have those conversations because social media is something that you can use to your advantage, and social media is also something that can work sometimes against you. And for that one time that things go wrong, none of this is worth it. So it's very important to, before you actually hand it over to your children, that hey, now you're able enough to use social media or your phone or make your choices. I feel like they need more than a decade of prep that ye tumhare liye theek hai aur ye nahi theek hai, because when something goes wrong, it's not worth it at all. I feel like it's not just about the mothers, it's about the parents. It's not just the mother's responsibility, it's the responsibility of both father and mother. I feel you can't just say that, oh, क्योंकि आप माँ हैं तो इसलिए आपको ज़्यादा ध्यान रखना है. Not at all. Firstly, let's talk that it's an equal conversation. Secondly, you have to understand that as children, they don't know to a great extent what's right or wrong. When they get older, they base their entire existence on the fact that, oh, मुझे like मिला, मुझे comment मिला. We need to make sure that they need to invest in multiple other things, or their time needs to be invested in other things apart from this. And that's a responsibility of parents. And I feel that barrier needs to be removed because, yes, as parents we have more experience. Yes, as parents we may know more. But when it comes to the world of social media, which is ever so changing and used better by the young than the old, we need to also listen to them, watch their signs, and not everything that you see on social is real. And that's something that we need to put in their minds as well, and also understand that sometimes the stuff that younger and older children are putting up on social media may not be real. And as much as they can, have boundaries. My God, I feel like what a great initiative by Assam Police. And I think that child safety begins at home. And when a voice is raised by a body like Assam Police, and they are using this hashtag called hashtag Don't Be a Sharon and don't overshare information. They come from a place of knowledge, they come from a place of understanding where things can go wrong, where things can go right. And who better to start this initiative. And I'm so glad and I'm so proud that I was invited here and I can use my voice and can support everyone. Thank you.
আপুনি চাই আছে ND24 সৰ্বশ্ৰেষ্ঠ নহয় সৰ্বোত্তমৰ দৌৰ